So children, today we are going to discuss how to find first negative term. First negative term of the series. How to find first negative term of the series. Children, for to find out like these questions, compulsory AP should be in decreasing order. Example, I'll give one small example. Please try to understand, children. Suppose, what is the first negative term? Like this question will come like this, children. 75, 67, okay, 59, so on. So what is the first negative term? So children, for every series you can't keep on going on writing every number. So how to find out the first negative term? It should be compulsory in decreasing order only, children, then only you get first negative term. Or some people may ask last positive term also. Anything is okay, children. First negative term and last positive term. Please try to understand, children. Okay, first try to understand this. This is very, very important question. In this sequence, find first negative term. This is the question. Okay, come on, children. I'm teaching you how to find out. See here. We all know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. I want first negative term, but I don't know which is the first negative term. So what I will do means, tentatively, I will keep 0. 0 may come or may not come in the sequence. Children, try to understand. 0 may not come in the sequence. Just I am putting 0, that's all. 0 may come, 0 may not come. Then how to do, I will show. After that, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Just for our reference purpose, keep an as 0. A is 75. N minus 1 and common difference is minus 8. Common difference is minus 8. So send this here. Minus 75 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 8. N minus 1 is equal to minus 75 by minus 8. N minus 1 is equal to minus or cancel. 8 times are 72 and 8 3s are 24. 8 times 8 3s are 24. 6, 8, 7, 9.375. N is equal to 10.375. But we know very well that n should not come in decimals, fractions, nothing. N is a whole number. N is a natural number, children. N should not come in decimals. Why I got n in decimals, children? Because why I got n in decimals, children? Because 0 is not the term of this series. Children, try to understand. 0 will not come in this sequence. That's why I got n in points. N should never come in points. That's all. But n, why I got in points? Because 0 is not the term of this series. In the sequence, 0 will not come. Then why I did I take? I will explain you. So n is means our 0 is somewhere between 10 and 11. Children, our 0 is somewhere between 10th term and 11th term. So 10th term is last positive term, children, and 11th term is first negative term in this sequence. No, sir, we won't believe it. I'll show you by doing. I will check and I will show you, children. Verification, I will show you. See here. First negative number is 11th term. Children, let's find out 11th term of the series, children. A11 is equal to, we all know, A plus 10D. Please try to understand. 75 plus 10 into minus 8. 75 minus 80. So minus 5 is the first negative term in this sequence. Now let us see last positive term also, children. A10 we should find out. A10. A10 is the last positive term now. A10 is equal to, we all know very well, A plus 90. A is how much, children? 75 plus 9 into minus 8. 75 minus 72. 3 is the last positive term, means 75, 67. After some numbers, 3 came. Then immediately after 3, who came? Minus 5. Then who will come? Minus 13. Then who will come? Minus 8, minus 13, minus 21. So how did I find out, children? I approximately substituted 0, which is not there in this series. Because 0 was not there in this series, I got n in decimals. I indirectly understood that between 10 and 11 terms, somewhere 0 was there. So 10th term is last positive term and 11th term is first negative term. Okay, children? If you didn't understand, I will show you one more numerical, children. Try to understand. If you have any doubts, later I will clarify, children. So between 10 and 11, our 0 was there. 10th term is last positive term. 11th term is first negative term. And what is the first negative term? Minus 5 in this series. What is the first negative term? Minus 5. Okay, children. One second. One more sum I will discuss, children, so that you will have a clear idea, children. Don't worry. I'll explain you if ever you have any doubts. One more sum I'll teach, children. See here in this sequence. One more I'll discuss. Okay, but it should be compulsory descending, children. If not, negative term, how it will come, children? Descending only it should. One second. Okay, 84, 80, 76, so on, so on. In this sum also, same question, children. What is the first negative term and last positive term? Same, children. Procedure is same. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Imagine somewhere 0 may come or may not come. Let us take for our reference 0. Okay, 84 plus n minus 1 into, what is the common difference, children? Minus 4. Minus 4. Try to understand. This comes here. Minus 84 is equal to n minus 1 is into minus 4. Now minus 4 will come down. N minus 1 is equal to minus 84 by minus 4. N minus 1 is 21. 22. Children, 22nd term is 0. 22nd term is 0. Means what you understood? 22nd term is 0. Means what did you understand?
23rd term is
23rd term is very good. 23rd term is negative term and
21st term is the last positive term.
21st term is last positive term and 23rd term is first negative term. Let's verify, children. What I did is correct or not. Let's verify, children. Okay. If you are getting in decimals, you have to assume. If you don't get decimals, happily you can tell, children. Let us find out A23. A23 means A plus 22. Please mute your audios. A is how much, children? 84 plus 22 into minus 4. Okay, so 84 plus minus 88. So minus 4 is the first negative integer in this series. Minus 4 is the first negative integer, which is 23rd term, and let's find out last positive term also, children. A21. Okay, A21 is how much, children? A plus 20B. Okay, that is 84 plus 20 into minus 4. So 84 minus 80. So plus 4 is last positive term in this series. This is the last positive term, and which was indirectly 21st term of the series. Okay, children, like this you have to do. This is very, very, very important question, children, because if you are getting directly this answer, it is good. But many of the times you will get in decimals only, children. And when you get in decimals, you have to approximately find out the order. For your understanding, we'll do one more numerical, children. One more numerical, just wait. Keep copying till then. Mute your audios, children, please. Keep copying. One more example I will teach you, children. See here. One more example I am going, children, here. $54, $51, $48, and so on. Okay, what is the same, children? Same question. First negative term, last positive term. Procedure is same once again. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us assume 0 may come or may not come. Let us take always 0 as our reference, children, because after 0 only negative will start. So a is what, children? 54 plus n minus 1, and the common difference turns out to be minus 3, children. Please see here. Minus 3. This goes here. Minus 54 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 goes down. N minus 1 is equal to minus 54 by minus 3. N minus 1 is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So n is equal to 19. Children, 19th term is 0. So what do you understand? 20th term is
First negative term.
first negative term, and
18th is last positive.
18th term is last positive term. I think now you can find out, children, and you can verify it. What is this term? Using a plus 19d, you find out, children. This also you can find out. A plus 17d, you find out. You will get their values also, children. Okay, last one more sum I will teach, children. After this, we'll stop.
Sir, otherwise we can use common difference, right? If 19th term is 0, 20th term will be 0
No, no,
minus.
please mute your audio. Later we'll discuss. Please mute your audio. This is recording session. Later we'll discuss. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, children, this video. Yeah. 125, 117, 109, and so on. Okay, children, 175, 109, and so on, which is the first negative term. Procedure is same, children. Last sum, just I'm explaining. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, children. 0 is equal to 125 plus n minus 1, and the common difference turns out to be minus 8, children. Please see here, minus 8. This comes here, minus 125 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 8. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 125 by minus 8, minus minus cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 45, children. 45 means 8 5s are 40. Okay, 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 6. So approximately minus 1, if it comes here, 16.6, children. Now you should not get confused, children. It is the same, means our 0 somewhere lies between 16 and 17. Our 0 lies between 16 and 17. So what can I say? 17th term is first negative term, children. 17th term is first negative term, and 16th term is for last positive term. Last positive term. Okay, children. Just I'm showing you only A17, children. Please see here. So A17 means what, children? A plus 16B. If you want just clarification, this is 125 plus 16 into minus 8. Try to understand. 125 minus 128. So answer is minus 3 is the first negative integer, which is 17th term. Which is 17th term. Minus 3 is the first negative integer in this series, which is 17th term. How I got 16.6? I got. Why I got 16.6, children? Because 0 is not there in this series. In this series, 0 is not there. Then that's why I got n in 60 decimals. Remember, n should never come in decimals or fractions, children. N is a natural number. You will have first number, you will have second number, you will have third number. But the 16.6 number and 5.6 number, you will not be having like that, children. It is quantized. Try to understand. But why I got here like this? Because 0 is not there in this series. But how did I conclude? Between 16 and 17, maybe 0 may be present. That's why I told 16th is the last positive integer and 17th is first negative integer. And if ever they ask, you have to find out them. 17th term is what? And last positive integer, 16th term is what you should find out. This is how we are going to do, children. And basing on this, in the description of this video, I will give 20-30 sums, children. You practice them, then you will understand. Yes, children. Now, anyone have any doubts, you can ask me.